here to share with you about my stock account. Today, the market generally closed mixed. Today, SQQQ made a gain of 0.77% during the market and closed with a loss of 1.69% during the post-market. Today, United Natural Gas raised a rebound of 3.15% to 6.88 during the market and a further rise to 6.9 during the post-market. Right now, the net asset of my account is 64,557.19. The market generally closed mixed. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 0.19% lower, Nasdaq Composite closed down 0.10% lower, and S&P 500 closed down 0.25% lower. The internet content and the internet retail and oil and gas generally closed higher with a gain of more than 1%. On the other hand, utilities closed down 2.61%. The Wells Fargo warns against chasing high-tech stocks. The rally may not last, and watch out for rising inflation. Wells Fargo believes that the FOMO-driven rally may not last long, and the market is at risk of resurgence in inflation. Scott Wren, senior global market strategist at Wells Fargo, said in a note on Wednesday, "Our analysis suggests that now is not the time to chase the tech stocks that are driving this rally. We remain cautious for a number of reasons and believe it'll be difficult for equities to rally significantly in the near term." Wren said a rebound in inflation was one of those risks. While June CPI reported showed inflation has fallen to 3%, it is well above the Fed's long-term goal of 2%, and the price could heat up against as inflationary pressures persist in the economy. The U.S. core CPI rose 0.2% in June, and the labor market remained resilient despite a weaker than expected 209,000 new jobs months, a factor that could push inflation higher. Wren warned, if the decline in inflation flattens and reverses as interest rates rise, we think the sectors driving this rally should be vulnerable to a sharp correction. Wells Fargo expects the S&P 500 to end this year between 4,600 to 4,800. Wren said this is slightly higher than the current level, but the risk-reward trade-off of entering the market at this point is still not attractive. The S&P 500 closed down 0.25% at 4,501.89 on Thursday. Despite growing investor enthusiasm for the stock market in recent months, some voices in the Wall Street have warned that the market will be in big trouble. Morgan Stanley recently warned that in addition to stubborn inflation, investors could be hit by recession in corporate earnings. That's all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next episode.